Hello viewers, in the previous lecture we discussed how to calculate oxidation state of metal in the coordinate compounds. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to discuss how to calculate oxidation state of the metal in bridged complexes. Okay, in the previous lecture only we discussed the general complexes. So here we discuss bridged complexes, very important. Okay, so here look at the first complex. So here total how many non-rigid ligands are present here? 4 plus 4, total 8. Okay, 8 ligands, and amine is neutral ligand, means charge is 0. Plus how many metals are present? 2 metals. So we are going to calculate the oxidation state of metal. So that's why let us assume that X is the oxidation state of metal. Plus, see, we have two bridged ligands, so each bridged ligand carries -1 charge, hydroxo. Okay, plus we have two counter ions. Okay, so here 2 into each ion, sulfato -2. Okay, sulfato carries -2 charge, so is equal to 0. Okay, sum of the ligands plus the oxidation state of metal plus the total charge present in the ionic sphere is everything is equal to 0. Okay, so now this 0, 2x minus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. So from this 2x equal to plus 6, so x is equal to plus 3. So the oxidation state of each cobalt is how much? Plus 3. Okay, so very simple. In the same way we calculated for the general complexes, here also same. The only thing here is that we have two metals. Okay, next again see here how many non-bridged ligands we have? Total 8. 8 into 0, because aqua is also a neutral ligand, does not carries any charge. Plus we have two chromiums, 3 chromiums. See 1, 2, 3. So 3x. Okay, oxidation state of chromium is assuming as X. Plus, so how many bridged ligands? 1, 2, 3, 4. All are monodentate negative and they have unit negative charge. So that's why we get 4 into -1. Yes or no? Cl minus, Br minus, H minus, OH minus. Plus. Okay, that's all. Okay, so total 8 non-bridged ligands, 4 bridged ligands and 3 metals, that is equal to charge present on the coordination sphere. Okay, see here the charge is present on the coordination sphere, so this is equal to plus 5. Okay, so 3x minus 4 is equal to 5, 3x equal to 9, x is equal to plus 3. Okay, so each chromium carries plus 3 oxidation state. Okay, plus 3 oxidation state. Clear? Very simple. If the coordination sphere has 0 charge or coordination sphere and ionization sphere both are present, so total charge is equal to 0. Okay, if the coordination sphere has some charge of the bridged ligands and non-bridged ligands plus oxidation state of metal, all are is equal to the charge present on the coordination sphere. Okay, right? Next, see this. Here we have total 8 chlorides. Okay, so 8 into -1. Each chlorine carries -1 oxidation state, so 8 into -1 plus 2 platinums. Okay, so 2x plus 2 into -1. 2 bromide ions we have here, so that is equal to -6, because the charge present on the coordination sphere is equal to how much? -6. Okay, so here 2x minus 8 minus 2 minus 10, so -6. That implies 2x equal to plus 4. If you take this 10 this side becomes plus 10. So x is equal to how much? Plus 2. So what is the oxidation state of metal? So plus 2 plus 2. Okay, next. See here. See in any complex same thing. Okay, so here we have 4 potassium, so each will carry +1 oxidation state, right? Plus, see here, non-bridge ligand, oxalato has 2 units of negative charge, so we have total 4 oxalatos, so 4 into -2, okay, here 2 oxalato, here 2 oxalato, total 4, each oxalato carries -2 charge, plus 2 chromium, so 2x, plus see hydrido and chlorido, so 2 into -1, that is equal to 0, because this everything is equal to the 0. Okay, so here 4 minus 8 plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so -8 minus 2 minus 10 plus 4, how much? -6. So 2x minus 6 equal to 0. From this x is equal to +3. So what is the oxidation state of each chromium? +3. Okay, clear? So in this way we can calculate oxidation state of metal in the bridged complexes. Okay, if you have only one metal we get x. Okay, so here if you have two metals present in the complex we get 2x. If you have three metals present we get here 3x, whatever it may be, we get oxidation state of one metal. Okay, now let us see three more very important example. See here, look at this complex. So chromium is the central metal atom. See here, this is nothing but ethylene diamine. Okay, so this ligand is ethylene diamine, En. Okay, so they will give in this way also, only they will indicate the donor atom in the ligand. Okay, so here ethylene diamine, this one. So ethylene diamine is a neutral ligand, so we have total 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 0 plus 2 metals, 2x plus, see SCN, this is -1, this one also carries azido thiocyanato. Okay, so -1 charge is present. See, this one also has -1 charge. Okay, so now 2 into -1 plus, see total 4 counter ions are present, each ion carries -1 charge, that is equal to 0. Okay, so charge of this neutral ligand is 0, so total 4 ligands, so 4 into 0, and here 2 metal atoms, 2x, this we have to calculate, right? Okay, and this is -1, this is also -1, 2 bridged ligands, so 2 into -1, and the counter ion, each ion carries -1 charge, so 4 into -1, so total is equal to 0. Okay, see here 2x minus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. After simplification we get x is equal to +3. So oxidation state of chromium is how much? +3. Okay, clear? So very simple. Only thing is that without giving En directly they have given in this way. Okay, so don't confuse here, whatever it may be, however they may give, the procedure is the same. Only thing you should be able to identify which type of ligand that is. Okay, next see this. In this one, see these all are carbonyls. Okay, all are neutral ligands. So that's why here oxidation state of metal is equal to 0. Okay, all are neutral ligands and there is no charge present on the coordination sphere also. So here oxidation state of metal is how much? 0. Very simple, no need to do any calculation. Okay, directly we can answer. Clear? Next, look at this complex. So here N and O are the donor atoms. It is nothing but glycinato. Okay, so this ligand is glycinato. Okay, glycinato ligand. So glycinato carries -1 charge. Okay, glycinato carries -1 charge. And here this OH is also -1, iodine is also -1. Okay, so here total how many glycinato ligands are present? 4 glycinato ligands. So each one carries -1 charge. Okay, plus how many metals? 2. So 2x. Plus, So two bridged ligands each will carry -1 charge. So minus 2 into -1, that is equal to 0 because there is no charge present on the coordination sphere. Okay. So charge 4 glycinatos each will carry -1 charge. 4 into -1, 2 metal atoms, so 2x, and 2 bridged ligands each will carry -1 charge. Okay, so 2x minus 6 equal to 0, x is equal to +3. Okay, so oxidation state of iron, this one is +3, this is also +3. Okay, clear? So in this way we can calculate oxidation state in the bridged complexes. Okay, whatever it may be the type of complex, the first thing is that you must be able to identify which type of ligand is that, neutral, positive or negative, what is the charge present on the ligand, then only we will be able to calculate oxidation state of the metal easily, right? So that's why once again I am telling that you must be perfect with the ligands, then this chapter is very simple. Okay, in the next lecture we discuss how to calculate oxidation state in the complexes in which two coordination sphere are present. Okay, thank you.